Hello, welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and as you can see, I'm in the restroom today. I'm going to show you a few little hacks of things I've learned over the years and, well, what I call best practices. Now, you might be used to the trigger sprayer on a bottle of cleaner, disinfectant, whatever you're using in the restroom. Forget it. Don't use it. Why? The trigger sprayer makes this atomized mist that comes out, and I breathe it in. I don't want to breathe that. So instead, what I tell you to do is use a pump-up sprayer. Now, whether you're using a chemical that is a cleaner or a disinfectant, doesn't make a difference. Take the pump-up sprayer, pump it up, and then spray like this. What happens is that goes out, it's a bigger mist, it's a heavier mist, it goes down. Come on back and I'll show you another hack of how to use a pump-up sprayer the right way.